Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best pre-built gaming PC to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the CUC Continuum Micro Gamer PC. If you have an extreme budget and you want to get a gaming computer that can handle anything you throw at, you might want to check out CUC's Continuum Micro Gamer PC desktop. It comes with a brand new powerful RTX graphics card, as well as an Intel Core i9 10-core CPU. It also sports 64 GB of DDR4 memory, a 1 TB SSD, and an 850-watt gold power supply. The CUC Continuum also comes with an AIO cooler, plenty of RGB lights, and a tempered glass case. In terms of performance, the CUC Continuum and Core i9 combination are good enough to jump into 4K gaming or to push games on a best gaming monitor. Features: best power supply, Intel Core i9 processor, USB Wi-Fi adapter. Moving to the next one of the list, in the second position we have the Skytech Chronos Gaming PC. For our best value option, we chose the Skytech Chronos because of the hardware it comes with and the price it comes in at. For just under $1,000, you get a PC that has the following components: an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, an RTX Super 8GB GPU, and 16 GB of DDR4 memory. That combination is good enough to be able to jump into 4K gaming as well as max out anything on a full HD monitor. This system also comes with a 1 TB SSD, a 650-watt power supply, and a mid-tower tempered glass case that has a full-length SU shroud in it. Features: dual ring fans, stock air cooler, certified power supply. Coming up next, in third place we have the iBuyPower Gaming PC computer. If you're looking for the best affordable pre-built gaming PC for just under $1,000, you can land the fairly powerful iBuyPower Element Gaming PC. The iBuyPower Element comes with an Intel Core i7 CPU, an NVIDIA GTX T6GB graphics card, 16 GB of DDR4 memory, a 500-watt power supply, a 240 GB SSD, and a 1 TB HDD. The system also comes with RGB lights and a nice-looking case that has a transparent side panel. Overall, for the price that the system comes in at and the performance it is able to deliver, it offers a phenomenal value for gamers that are looking for a solid desktop for full HD gaming. Features: genuine Windows 10 Home, dedicated gaming video card, free lifetime USA tech support. Now moving to the number 4, MSI Meg Trident Desktop. The MSI Meg Trident might be a better fit for you if you want to get a small form-factor gaming PC. This mini-gaming desktop comes with the following components: an Intel Core i7 CPU, an NVIDIA RTX Super GPU, 32 GB of DDR4 memory, and a 1 TB SSD. So, despite its smaller size, it is still able to fit a powerful RTX Super inside of it. And it also features a new 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor. However, if you like the smaller form factor that the MSI Meg Trident comes with, then this is one of the best mini-gaming PCs out there right now. Features: NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card, Intel Core i7 processor, 1-year parts and labor warranty. In the fifth position we have the CyberPower PC Gamer Stream Gaming PC. The CyberPower PC Gamer Stream is another budget-friendly pre-built desktop PC. So, if you want another option to consider alongside the iBuyPower Element or Skytech Chronos, this one fits the bill. The CyberPower PC Gamer Stream comes with these components: an Intel Core i5 processor, an NVIDIA GTX Super 6GB graphics card, 8 GB of DDR4 memory, and a 500 GB SSD. Though, either the CyberPower PC Stream or the iBuyPower Element are worthy options to consider if you're looking for a cheap desktop that can handle any game you throw at it. If you're just looking to play at full HD resolution, both options will work well. Features: genuine Windows 10 Home, NVIDIA GeForce GTX Super 6GB video card, free lifetime tech support. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best pre-built gaming PC. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.